Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics. So when you're starting a new cleaning job and you've never been to that house before, one of the things that you really want to make sure that you do is walk around the whole house. You need to walk around the whole house because that's going to help you organize your time and schedule your time most effectively. And that also allows you to be able to go around and pick up any major things, assess any dangers in the environment, see which windows have been left open, just check things like that so that you become really aware of the environment that you're working in, and you know basically how much time you're going to spend in each section. Now normally I would say in an average house we normally allow say at least 20 minutes per bathroom, and often up to half an hour per bathroom if it's got a big spa bath or it's particularly hard to clean or it doesn't get cleaned very often and it's particularly dirty. You're going to need at least half an hour per bathroom in those instances. With vacuuming and mopping, you always want to allow more time for vacuuming than for mopping. If you don't vacuum properly, this will become very noticeable at the mopping stage and you'll come across all these issues, and if you have any decency you'll probably have to get the vacuum cleaner out again and get the bits that you've then discovered at the mopping stage. This can be avoided by being very thorough at the vacuuming stage and doing things like using the attachments that come with the vacuum cleaner. The other important thing is making sure that you have emptied the vacuum cleaner and check the filters, because basically you're not going to do a great job of the vacuuming if the vacuum cleaner is half blocked or clogged in some way. So these things need to be checked, particularly if you're using someone else's vacuum cleaner, like the client's vacuum cleaner, and you're not familiar with it and you weren't the last person to use it. So you need to check these things and you need to be very aware of the things that you're using and also the environment that you're working in. So think safety first, walk around that whole house, assess things, then pick out, take the rubbish out. I would normally have a big bag that I'm just putting all the rubbish into and have all my new rubbish bags ready and available to put straight in. You want to take that rubbish out early on in the beginning stages of the clean, because if you happen to spill anything or there's a leak or anything like that, you can attend to it at the right time rather than having to go back and redo something because you've done things out of sequence or in a bad sequence. So these are some of the things that are really important for cleaning. Thanks very much. Have a good day.